Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout, play along with Build a Page, and this is my third, excuse me, layout of the month for July 2023. We are also playing along with Off the Board, and I totally snatched this from Moira's video I was watching the other day. These are all the pins that the Build a Page creators came up with. And I thought it was super fun because we kind of all went in different directions, quite frankly. So I'm not sure which pin this is going to work out with yet. I'm feeling it a little bit in this way because in a way I've got some of these fallsy colors and see all the lines? And I believe that was Moira's pin. I've got all of these lines with this very dramatic big star. So I'm feeling a little something with that. Now let me show you what I have that I'm working with really quickly. And I did have a complete unboxing for this kit. I didn't say this was a Mercy Tiara's kit from June 2023, and it is called Feeling Groovy. Hello. Okay. I am going to use this Maggie Holmes piece right here. This is from Woodland Grove and it's called Fragrant Fields. I already used this one. It was so fun to use. So that's going to be my background. And somehow I had flung my paper trimmer off my desk. Don't know what happened there. I got a little excited. Don't even know why I'm trimming it. I'm supposed to be telling you what I'm using. Here we are. I don't know. Okay. Well, that will be trimmed in a moment. So I have this. I also have this. These other two pieces are from Jen Hadfield Flower Child. I've got Retro Rainbow, and I've got this big old piece here. It's called Far Out. Okay. So we've got a star. Great. I'm not even sure which way I'm going with this. I think it's going to be something like this, with a big old star to start it off over here. Actually, I should do that opposite day, and I'll show you why in 1 second. So big old star there, because I've got this cute photo here of my daughter and my son's girlfriend on vacation, and they were getting themselves some frozen little mixed drinks. They found this place that had this big old wall of frozen drinks. And there was like the pina colada, the margarita, the daiquiri, all of that. So you got to just pick. Super cool. I like these pieces here. These are all chipboard pieces from Vicky Boutin. And then I've got a bunch of die cut ephemera-y type pieces back to woodwork from Vicky Boutin as well. Great. That's what's in my kit. Not in my kit, well, in Mercy Tiara's kit, we've got these foamy pieces. I've got chipboard. I have got a gorgeous alphabet. These were from Vicky Boutin chipboard again. I've got Jen Hadfield stickers. I've got extra pattern paper that aren't in these kits, but I don't think I'll need that today. I have got enamel dots. I have got very big dramatic chipboard words, which, yes would work. This, yes, love, maybe yes. That would be maybe kind of cute if I did yes, please. So I've got all kinds of things that I'm brief, and I even have a couple of rolls of washi. Look at that. So I've got all of the things, is my point. But in the kit, I have these 3 pieces of paper, the chipboard, and my die cuts. But I saw this, and that might happen. My very dramatic yes. Okay. My photo is going this way. I need to get a piece of scrap white cardstock. Let's see if this is going to be big enough. No, it's got cut lines. I need to get a piece of scrap white cardstock and just go ahead and map my photo. No big deal. I'll do that in a moment. Then I'm going to have these pieces zhuzhing off, right? Great. Maybe here-ish. And I want to do a star. Now, I want the star to be pretty complete, but it doesn't have to be the size of the whole thing. So I'm going to cut out this reddish star and scuff it up. I'm also going to cut out a bunch of the rays and scuff them up too while I'm at it. Map my photo and I'll meet you right back here. Super quick check-in. I haven't scuffed anything up, but this is about where I'm going to go with this. I did not use the bluish rays because I thought they would fade right into the background, and that's not what we're wanting to do here. So, and I just have my star cut to cover the, the ends of these, kind of rays kind of thing. By the way, this looks just like those ice pops as well from that one Pinterest pin. So that's going to be super cute. We're going to have this somewhere, but I think as long as we can see the star, and we can, I think that's going to be super cute. I'll pop it up. And guys, this one's going to come together really quickly because it's really just going to be a matter of a few little decorations, and it's downright cute already. All right, I'm going to scuff everything up. I'm going to pop the star up on a little dimensional foamy stuff, and I'll be right back. So quick check-in time, guys. I've got my photo on, and what I did to map my photo is I just took like the blue and purple part of these stripes and just did a quick mat. I had a white photo mat and a quick little bit of blue, which brings the background to the foreground. Okay, so that's good. So my title will be Yes, Please, and I have this yes word right here. And hold on, I did have please lined up, and then it went south. So I'm going to go ahead and put the word please kind of on this peachy part and then fit the yes around it. I'm going to need a little bit of liquid adhesive to do that. And then, guys, I'm just going to start grabbing these bits and tucking them in, and this layout will be done. So I've placed all of my die cuts that we had on the side here, and I've gone ahead also and placed my chipboard, and I'm pretty darn happy with them. I went into my color drawers and grabbed some black and white twine, and I'm going to just cut a nice piece of the twine and do some twirly bits and get that stuck down. Guys, I have had this forever, and I don't even know where it came from. It's a rather nice giant spool. So I'm thinking, and like I said, I don't have things all the way tacked down, so I can just move things around a little bit. I just liked my placement. Let's grab this bit, and then I'll do some kind of little twirly bits with, I can go under this star, on top of that star, and have a little bit of movement. Super cute. Okay. So I'm going to tack all of that down. Then we'll look at the rest of the stuff in the kit and finish this one up. So let's see what we want to add next. I don't know. Let's start with this. So we've got these bits, and I've got really good clusters, so I don't need to do anything. But I always like to see if there's something kind of interesting. Like the clusters, I definitely need something on this really large tag that I have. Ooh, that did not look straight. I wonder why. I wonder if that's on straight. I don't know. Something seemed hinky. It's like I have rays coming off every which way, so it's kind of tricky. Ooh, daydreams. Let me see. Got this gorgeous peachy pink that I really do like. Let's see. Where can I add some of this in? It's just so pretty. All right, I can have it come up there. Now, you know what? There's a larger one with kind of that peachy pink color. Let me see. If I go like this and I cut it here and I cut it kind of here, I wonder if, oh yes. There we go. I was like, how can we get more color on? So this is the kind of thing I like to do, especially when I have all of these frames. Like, we get so many of them, and people will ask me, well, what should I do with them? I'm like, you know what? Sometimes you just go for it and put the little pieces wherever, and it's just an embellishment. It does not have to necessarily frame anything. Okay, we have that. Now, obviously the Vicky Bouton stuff will work. So let's see. Paradise Found is awesome for this. Oops, some of the sticker backing is coming off, so I'll just take the whole thing off so it doesn't flop about. And we can get those kind of words on is perfect since they were having themselves a good time. Let's see. So I have Paradise Found going. The Memento is cute. On the Road Again is cute because they actually did do a road trip there. But, ooh, you guys, I don't know if I'll be able to get this in. But seriously, do you see this vacay? That's so cute. Oh, it's going in perfectly. Okay, love that vacay. So I have a couple things going there. Happiness is here. I've got lots of nice black, so I'm not as worried about that. I didn't even see these shells before. The food, the sights and sounds, the journey. Guys, look at this color. To bring it down here will be gorgeous. So I'm just gonna pop that right on top of the frame. Totally looks like the frame has always been there. It is now happy. Best experience. Guys, there's so many things I want to use. And sometimes I actually have to like, phew. Got to calm myself just a little bit. Oh, this cute little thing. Guys, I can totally use everything. Huh. I keep having a thing with this chipboard that it doesn't want to fully cooperate. Just going to put that on a wonk. I don't know why I put tickets, you know, kind of to the wonky side so often, but I do. It's fine. Oh, cute little lemon. I think they were having pina coladas from the look of it, though. Oh, look at that gelato. I have an ice cream layout to do. Oh, and there's a little hot dog. There's something, a different line. I don't know which one has like a hot dog and hamburger that I recently got. How cute. All right, so I have that. Kind of like this storyteller for another little wordy bit. Let me see if there's room. Yep, there's room. I'm gonna have to tuck it pretty tight, but there's room and that's super cute. Okay, now I've got some of this gold here and there. So I'm gonna grab these bits that are left and sprinkle them around, you know, like as if they're enamel dots. Anything that I can use to help tell my story, I always like it. And Vicki Boutin is so great about putting in little bits and pieces. Wherever there's room, you're gonna get your bang for your buck, right? So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do an enamel dot for my last little piece. So I'm done with those. Let's see, I'm feeling pretty good about where I got with this. So you know what? They're having these fruity drinks. So I've got an orange, I've got a strawberry. I was seeing if there is any other fruit. Do you guys see any other fruit while we're looking? I think we're good. So let's go ahead and just tuck a cute little orange here. Or is it not showing enough? That's all right if it's a little tone on tone. I like that little bit of that orange there. It's so funny, and I ended up with the pinky color here. And I'll just have, no, should I switch them? Let's see. Little berry there. And a cute little orange right here. Okay, super cute. Phew. All right, I'm gonna just do some white splatty bits to finish this up. I will have links down below. Oh, we didn't do this for the other Build a Page creators. So you can see what they are up to. Which color, guys? Which color? So this is more of a baby blue on here, and I have more of an aqua vibe here. So I think I'm gonna come in with this peach. Anyway, what I was saying is I will have all of the links down below for the Build a Page ladies as well as Mercy Tiara Kit Club, because quite frankly, this kit is from Mercy Tiara Kit Club. All right, so I'm going to do a few white splatty bits, and then this one will be done. Still shots to follow, guys, and I will see you ever so soon with another video.